Look what other work my brother has found for me to do. 428i BMW. Need a new light. Let's go. What's going on, BSG? Yeah. So today we have us a convertible BMW 428i. Nice cars, hardtop. So we got to get this tire off so we can get this new light on. But we're gonna replace both of them. All right. So. Alright guys, so for a person like myself, it's my first time kind of messing around with a BMW. You got 17-inch lug. A lug basically that screws right in, or a bolt or whatever you want to call them. They screw right in there. You know, my first time dealing with these, so you got that deal like that. I want to say that my daughter's car or one of their cars might be like this too. I can't remember. But anyway, I was looking at the front, see if I could take that plastic piece off, but it didn't seem like I could, and I didn't want to tear it up because I am known for tearing some stuff up. So I come over here and I remove four of these bolts right here. Little screws, whatever, and there go my fog light right there, right up in there. So now, so as you can see right there, they got the old fog light. Now, from what I can see here and what I felt, that it's gonna go in there like that, and this here's a screw. This here is sitting on like a little pole thing, like they got in there. I guess you can say a guide. And these right here fits down in a slot. And I mean, that's all it is to it. The hard part is though, is getting this crap off. I mean, pulling this stuff back, taking tires off, and getting in here. And I'm sorry about the light, but that's what it is, man. Jesus Christ, I need another extension. So, yeah, as the tool man gets the extension, you look around in here. This car, pretty clean car, man. Kind of like it. I like the hard top on this thing, but that's for another story. Let's see here what we can do now. And I'm hoping I'm right with this one screw. Unscrew this one screw and oh my goodness. Okay, let me get that little screw right there right now. Oh, well, it is another screw over there. You son of a... Okay. Oh, man. I need my doggone power tools. That's what I need. This here is ridiculous. I'm using caveman tactics. I guess I was wrong about that thing sitting on a placement. How do you call that thing? A positioner spot. But yeah. You know what? I need to take this off. My brother just pointed this thing out to me to take this off. And unscrew this one. Oh, hold on. We raise up. Back is hurting. Back is hurting. Whew. Dang, don't slam my head into the doggone thing there, boy. Oh, that was a lot better. But one thing I don't want to do is lose the damn screws. Oh, don't play games now. Oh, Jesus. Okay, y'all gotta excuse the lady across the street that's first time using the edger. There we go, right there. This thing here. I don't know what happened to it, but it got exploited. Now let's see what this here thing is. So with these lights here, there is another piece to it, but I want to say you take this crap here. Okay. You screw this to something in here to the side so that it's not bouncing around or whatever. All right, so this here has to go in here. This is my thinking, and this here goes into this thing here. And we have damn contact. Okay, so since we're not gonna, just going to let this thing sit in there. And it can sit right there. Slide this right back down. Why is it always harder to damn go back in than when we was trying to take it out?
Is that the right side?
Do it. That is a good damn question. Is this the right side? That is a damn good question. So let me take this back off. All right, let me get that one over there.
It's in the box. It's in the box.
That one. Let me get that. I want to see.
Nope.
Nope, it's the wrong side. Because this piece here is to the inside and this one here is to the outside. So that's the wrong light. Let's get this light out. Every time I see this thing, I think it's cracked.
Yeah.
All right. Hope we have better luck this time. No, turn it over. That ain't it. Because you got clips on the side. Oh, let me show you. All right, you look down in there, you see that piece right there?
Mm-hmm.
It's opening right there. And it goes in just like this. Yep, just like that. Put it back in there. All right. Oh my goodness, that was so much easier. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. All right, guys. So y'all see what we doing? I'll bring y'all back when we going to the other side. That one. Guys, I don't know how good this video is gonna turn out. You guys can see, but it bees what it bees today. If y'all knows what I means. Alright, so let this thinking. Let's get it out. Do we got something different going on over here? Yeah, we do. We got a damn, look like maybe an oil cooler or something like that in the way over here. So we squeeze these in right there. Shake it a little bit. Come on up there, you fuck. There we go. Okay. Next light. And I need to plug.
Yeah.
I need to plug too. All right, so we're gonna plug into this one. Goes like that. Then this one goes into here. There we go. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be one of those types of days, huh? All right, guys, I gotta bring y'all back because the camera's in the way of me getting up in here trying to see what's going on. So let me get this screw down, and next time y'all see it, she's gonna be lit up. There you go, guys. We got it done. So as you can see, we got bright lights all the way around. So jump in the comment section. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And hit that bell notification for the next video so you know when I'm dropping. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.